Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty eventful day today. Not only was the price all over the place, but then you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. But things are looking pretty shaky. I'm not going to say the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, things are looking shaky, and I'm defining quote unquote shaky as whether or not the price can hold up above this level down here at $1.05. The reason this level is very important and why I'm not going to call the entire chart destroyed, even though there was a very big pullback today, is, if the price maintains above this area, so if the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards, in that situation, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have a set of lows there, you'd have that set of lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see, quote-unquote, progress being made forward, and again, $1.05 being that progress point. Now, on the flip side of things, though, if the price were to come down here, and then just break down through $1.05 and continue on down, what would you have in this situation? Well, now you'd literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, not saying that'll happen, but just trying to explain why $1.05 is a very, very important level and kind of the make or break level. So in some senses, it's kind of like a dictionary. It's telling us and helping us define the situation of, is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness, or is the price, quote unquote, going back? That associated with bearishness. So keep a close eye on $1.05, and we'll see if the price can stay above it or not. And that's going to be kind of a very big indicator on the future health or lack thereof of the chart going forward. So still 3 days left this week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.